What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hike Life. Today we're on a wonderful adventure. This adventure is going to take us kayaking. That's right, we're doing a kayaking adventure on Grayson Lake. Apparently Grayson Lake is in the town of Sandy Hook, so we've got about a 20-minute drive ahead of us. We've already arrived last night. I'm already having my morning cup of coffee. So good. We're here with a nice group of guys, so you'll get to see us kayaking, having a little adventure, playing some sports. It's going to be kind of a leisurely laid back. We're not doing a lot of through hiking, but we're going to go over some gear, kind of see how other people do things, and basically have a good time. So thanks for tuning in to Hike Life. Here we go. Oh, by the way, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, throw up a couple thumbs up, throw up the bell button, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Here we go. Roll intro. I am here with Adam, and Adam's going to go over his setup for his kayak, which is, it's actually a really sweet, it's kind of a hybrid kayak from an ocean and a fishing kayak, or an angler, but it's a really nice setup. So here you go, Adam.
I'm Adam. We're down here at Grayson Lake State Park getting ready for our kayak trip. This is my kayak. I'm very happy with. It's a wilderness hybrid fishing kayak. I can pretty much be self-sufficient all day long. I've got storage for my food, I've got an area for my cooler and drinks, and a nice comfy, cushy chair here, which really helps out when you're on the river all day long. Another storage area in here, and this baby's ready to go.
Nice, man. Looks good. A little jealous, because I've got like the Neanderthal of kayaks that I'm rolling around in, man.
It's so much fun.
Oh yeah, we're getting ready to see how much fun it is, aren't we?
Yeah.
I better get packing, because I've got a lot of packing to do. All right, guys, back to you.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know how you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow?
Looks like a good breakfast, man.
Oh, it's a great breakfast.
I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes.
We want to be on the river by when? 11:15? Good idea. Good plan. Like it. All right, so an hour? That'll be 15.
This is Adam. By the way, he is trying to assert his masculinity.
So we're here. We just unloaded the kayaks. We're getting ready to load them into, I think it's called Sandy Hook right down here. I've got my Ziploc bag for the camera to protect it. And basically, we're going to go ahead and load in and get everything set up and get ready and go. It's going to be a good time.
I doubt you, 'cause I don't know you want it. I'm free to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't give it away. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. I see you.
All right, I'm ready. Are you hearing my drink?
Tastes like the thing gone bad or something. 15, 20 minutes in and they're like, oh, God, I'm getting tired. So what you do is you hold it out in front of you. You keep this stationary. This becomes the fulcrum or the lever. You push with your one hand. So this is fully extended, just like a bike. You're pedaling, right? You're going like this. So what you're doing is that you're pulling back with this hand. And when I teach people, not that you're going to have to do this today, I actually teach them take your fingers off because it forces you to think push. So when you push with this hand, you extend it fully, and now you get the longest stroke and displacement of water because you're going like this. But see how the middle part stays in the same place? That's how you do it.
Success! Woohoo!
That can't be a nest. Why would a bird put a nest there?
Yeah, that bird is known as
So it's pretty cool to get to meet a new group of people that enjoy the same things that you enjoy. You know, we get to go out, do a little kayaking, hanging out, a little broing around, you know. It's just really neat. And then to come to a place like this where there's all these like really cool rockscapades behind you and in your area, and then there's nice, wonderful forest on the other side. It's just really cool to get to enjoy it and indulge yourself in it. It'd be nice to take a nap though. I didn't get much sleep last night. We arrived at nighttime, which is why I didn't do any recording. So basically we're getting a little worn out. Also, every time I stop paddling, my boat goes crooked. Look, I'm supposed to be going that way, but my boat is that way. So, all right, back to paddling. Just sitting back in the old kayak, relaxing. Got my feet up. Got my boy TJ over here.
What's up?
Yeah, so far it's been a pretty nice trip. We're just chilling. We went and checked out a couple cliffs. Now we're headed to the lake.
I believe so.
Are we not on the lake?
I have no idea.
We're headed into the bank that's right in front of me here that I'm about ready to crash into. No.
I felt that over here.
Yeah, he did. He says he felt that over there. All right, headed to the lake. Got to do some paddling. No time for filming when you're doing all the paddling.
So, one of the biggest lessons that I learned on my vision quest a couple years ago was that, or should I say, an awareness and consciousness that was gifted to me was being immersed in nature. I was overlooking the fact that I was nature as well. And so on the Vision Quest, nature gives you absolutely everything you need to liberate and heal yourself. And the men I was out there with, it occurred to me that the men I was with were also nature. And once I had that in awareness, then it made me realize that, well, I too am also nature. And it's an incredible experience. I would highly recommend a Vision Quest for any person.
That's awesome, man. Thank you for sharing that with us.
You're so welcome.
It's really cool. I am also nature.